The concept for Stories of the Susquehanna Valley emerged from study of overlay cultural landscapes of the British Isles, such as the Lake District, and of efforts by ecological restorationists to articulate American overlay landscapes in the Chicago region throughout the 20th century. In 2004, the idea of an overlay cultural corridor based on these models and involving digital and scholarly components was supported by the Susquehanna Heartland Coalition. In 2005, the first Bucknell students began working on very early prototypes for this in Sunbury, leading to the involvement of Katie Fall, whose scholarship on the Moravians in the region became an anchor of the effort and who won an NEH grant to support her work on the confluence. Meanwhile, nationally known leaders in overlay landscape projects were invited to Bucknell to offer ideas on developing a project on the Susquehanna, including leaders in the open lands, Chicago wilderness, and prairie crossing projects, and staff from the Nature Conservancy's regional offices. A Humanities Institute and a Susquehanna Focus Year further helped develop models. Theoretical work included a book on ancient overlay landscapes referencing the Susquehanna projects, while a book coming out now in 2013 more fully focuses on SSV as a theoretical model of an overlay landscape project in environmental humanities contexts. From 2009 to 2010, SSV took formal shape, while at the same time, Writers' Institutes and related courses developed. Designation of the river corridor as a national connecting trail was a key milestone achieved by GIS work by Bucknell student Emily Bitely, working with Katie Fall, Janine Glather, and a Bucknell team of faculty and students. Relationships with the Iroquois nations were established in SSV. The Susquehanna headwaters and Pantisocracy on the North Branch in the early 19th century, in relation to the present, developed as another focus area, in addition to the confluence and the related network of Moravian settlements, native trails, and communities, and most recently, the West Branch. The past 2 years saw the initiation of the Natural History Project, coordinated by Dwayne Griffin, and other key new developments, including the active involvement of SSV editors, now including Brandon Green, on the Regional Envision the Susquehanna Steering Committee, and the arrival of 2 new digital scholarship experts at Bucknell. SSV has reached a point of assessing its first 3 years of formal existence, and a longer period of more than 10 years of foundational work, at a time when recent scholarly publications mentioning concepts from the project include the Cambridge Companion to Literature and the Environment, another collection introduced by Bill McKibben and Prince Charles, and internationally recognized scholarship by Katie Fall.